This is a 2017 Guards Red Boxster. Real pretty car with low miles, 15,000 miles. Car is under factory warranty until March 31st of 2021. So March 31st, 2021, or 50,000 miles. Car is really like new all the way around. Couple little marks on the wheels I'll show you here. Top is perfect. This right front wheel has a couple little scratches here and here and there. This back wheel around the edge. This one's pretty nice. No scratches on that one. Car has great sound. Driver's seat is perfect. Steering wheel leather, very, very nice. Here's options on this car. Has PDK and heated seats, the Boxster S wheels, lane change assist, colored crest on the caps. The lane change assist blind spot monitor is here. It lights up when someone's in the blind spot. Does have backup camera and parking sensors front and back. XM radio. It does have Bluetooth audio, but you have to have your phone paired for that. Aux and USB in here. Let's put the top down. Very nice looking with the top down. There's the passenger side. The seat's perfect also. Take a look in the trunks and then we will start it. Mats are back here. There's the mileage. really sounds great. So that's in normal mode, and I'm gonna switch it into sport. Hear the difference. Sport. All right. So there you go. Beautiful Guards Red 2017 Boxster. Nice options, low miles. Sounds great. Factory warranty left. Come check it out here at Auto Assets, and thanks for watching.